Welcome back to another video of the Pearl. Today we have some Jamaican style soup going, and let me start this and show you what's going on in here. So of course I have to have some dumpling, and it's a lot of dumpling. You know, little carbs are for going at the body. The body need fat for when the starvation kick in. So I have some spinners, some long dumplings, then I made some round types as well, and this is a piece of chicken. So chicken is in it, corn, sweet potato, and pumpkin. I place a lot of pumpkin in it because I just like when it's very rich in its color. But these pumpkins that aren't mashed out were actually put in after with the carrots. So I actually put in 2 sets of pumpkin, and I don't really have any Jamaican chicken noodles or pumpkin noodle cock soup, you know. So I went to the supermarket not too long ago and I got, where is it? I got this. It doesn't even have any name. Wow. Or maybe I threw the label in the garbage when I opened it, but I think this is like a salt and pepper mix, and I actually had some thyme at home, so some of the black stuff that you see floating on the top, it's actually thyme. But when I taste the flavor of it, it's actually tasting pretty authentic. And then I still had some habanero peppers left over from last year that were in the freezer, so I actually placed some in it. So it has a little, but it's not too spicy, to be honest. But yeah, it's really good. It's good. It's good. It's tasting good. And I'm gonna go clean off the corn right now and put them in. So this is it for this video because I'm kind of busy making my food for this weekend. So yeah, thanks for watching the Pearl, and look out for more things that I'll be doing soon.